Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. I'm so happy to see you guys. In today's video, we are talking about how Uber is bringing back shared rides this summer. So if you're an Uber driver, you want to watch this video because this could potentially mean more opportunities for more rides and more earnings. And we're also going to talk about it and address this situation. Is this could potentially be a bad thing. So if you don't want to miss this video, please thumbs it up. And before I get started, I want to let you all know about Ivycard. Ivycard is a new company that is actually working with gig workers to provide them with cash advances. So I have a special right now, a unique referral code. When you click it and you sign up, you will pay no fees on your cash advances. So many drivers, you know, if they ever get deactivated or if they can't work, they need a little bit of extra money to get them by, and that's where Ivycard comes in. So if you're ever strapped for cash, you need just a little bit to get you through, you know, without any fees. This is potentially, you know, one of the best solutions to a lot of issues that drivers have, which is liquidity. So check out my link down below to sign up for Ivycard, at least lock in that rate. And now let's get on with the video. So again, like I said, in this video, we're talking about how Uber is bringing back shared rides to US cities this summer. Now I have a feeling drivers are gonna be really upset with this because a lot of drivers don't like UberX or Uber shared, Uber Pool. They used to call it Uber Pool and now they're launching it, they're saying it's UberX shared. But to be honest, I actually really did enjoy Lyft shared and Uber Pool because it saves you miles on your car, because you don't have to drive to a new pickup after you drop somebody off. It's just automatically added into your queue. So even though you're making a little bit less, you actually kind of end up profiting more. And to be fair, when you're actually having more than, you know, one person in your car, more than one party in your car, that is what rideshare actually is. Without that, it's not really rideshare. It's more like doing taxi, right? Because you got one person coming in your car, you drop them off, then you go pick somebody up. That's not really rideshare. Ride sharing is actually carpooling. So UberX shared and Lyft shared, you know, that's just the reality of it, is actually rideshare, and it is more sustainable to share rides for the environment, for the earth. If you care about the earth, planet Earth, you'll probably like this. Uber will bring back shared rides to 9 US cities this summer. The company has relaunched its carpooling service after a 2-year hiatus. Uber suspended its shared ride service, Uber Pool, in the early months of the pandemic as a safety measure. But the company has now relaunched the feature under a new name, UberX Share, which is available starting today in New York City, Los Angeles, Chicago, San Francisco, Phoenix, San Diego, Portland, Oregon, Indianapolis, and Pittsburgh. This formal launch follows a quieter debut back in November when it was available only in Miami as part of a pilot test. You know what I do think is a little fishy is that because of the whole, you know, pandemic and everything, like Uber, you know, doing this stuff was kind of like, you know, not cool to do, like Lyft shared and everything, Uber Pool. And Uber's just like, yeah, we're going to do it. Like they didn't really like, you know, ask anybody if it was cool. They just went ahead and did it. The new shared rides feature is similar to Uber's pre-pandemic carpooling feature, but with an added cash incentive. Listen to this, my friends. Riders who select UberX Share will be matched with another co-rider who is headed in the same direction. In exchange for the hassle and extra time spent on the road, Uber will give riders a 20% discount of the total fare. Even if riders don't get matched with a co-rider, they'll receive an upfront discount for their ride. That varies in the amount. Wow, Uber's really pushing for this, guys. Fares for UberX Share will always be lower than an equivalent UberX ride. So even if they don't get, that's very, very interesting. So now they're 20%, and rides are so expensive right now. I have a feeling that everybody is going to be requesting this feature because you're paying 20% less to go to the same place. And, you know, it's gotten to the reality where there's even articles coming out where people can't even afford to go to work right now because Uber is so expensive. So, you know, it's like what used to cost somebody $10 to get to work is now costing them $35. So yeah, if they can save 20%, they will. UberX Share is likely to be appealing for budget-conscious riders, especially if it's a short or non-urgent trip, aka those riders who do not tip. That's what they mean by budget-conscious riders. Well, actually, maybe they will pass. Maybe we can spin it to be like, well, you are saving 20%. Might as well tip us 20%. You know what I mean? Know what I'm saying? But the feature posed problems for drivers in the past who reportedly earned less per passenger on shared rides than they made transporting individual passengers. Drivers also have to do the added work of coordinating multiple drop-offs and pickups during trip. That's not any difficult at all. You just, literally the app tells you where to go, and then just whoever gets out, gets out. It's like, honestly, driving a bus. The company, for its part, has made several changes this time around that may be more driver-friendly. Unlike Uber Pool, drivers can opt out of participating in UberX Share. Additionally, passengers can only request UberX Share rides for themselves, and only one other co-rider can join the trip. Oh, interesting. So you're not going to have the option to book with multiple people. Uber Pool gave riders the option of booking up to 2 seats, and during very busy times can match drivers with more than one co-rider. The new changes will likely create a less hectic shared ride. So it's only going to be 2 people. That's not bad at all, to be honest. I'm sorry. I thought it was, you know, your car's going to be packed again. You got 2. I mean, sometimes you get 3 different people. If you only got 3 one-persons, you mean, you could, I guess you could have like 4, right? But if it's only 2 people, that's honestly not bad. Because they could even, nobody will ever sit in the middle seat. You know what I mean? It's just going to be 1 on each side. So anyways, that's the update for today. Let me know your thoughts though. Is this going to be good for drivers or bad for drivers? I haven't seen the pay model that Uber is planning to pay drivers. Are they going to pay them the less or the same? Or are they going to make drivers make 20% less? Or are they going to keep it the same? I don't know. I don't know. But I'm somewhat optimistic about this. I don't really see it as a bad thing. Just because, you know, if you can pair 2 people up, you're going to kind of get like twice the money. That's kind of how I see it. And I like making money. So anyways, that's the update for today. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Again, check out Ivycard, link in description. They're giving cash advances to gig workers if you drive for Uber, Lyft, or any of the gig apps. They are an awesome company. I already spoke with them. They're super friendly and they really, really care about gig workers. That's one thing I really like about them. So check out Ivycard with my link in the description box. And until next time, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.